Hi everyone. I just realized that I recorded a whole video without actually hitting record. So that's lovely. Anyways, here's how to install the icons. Okay, so first of all, you gotta make sure you have the best icons ever on your photos. It's easier if you can make it into an album just so they don't get lost in the sauce, you know? Anyways, then you go to the Shortcuts app. If you if you don't have it, you should download it. It's free. It's in the App Store. It's like an Apple app. Anyways, so first of all, you're gonna hit the plus sign in the corner, and then over here it says Open App. Hit that, and then right here where it says App, select any app you want for the icon, or to replace the icon with. So I'm going to choose camera, and then you hit this blue button in the corner, add to home screen, hit this, the photo thing, and then find the photo you want to use. So this is the camera icon, and then you can name it. You can just leave it blank because that'll make it look cleaner, but I'm going to put it camera. Lowercase, of course, because, it's pretty aesthetic. And then it's right there. Wow. Yeah. Okay. And now for the widgets, using Widgetsmith. So, first of all, download Widgetsmith. The app is free as well. So, yeah. I don't think it's an Apple app, but it's free. Anyways, so, first of all, you determine what size you want. So I'm going to go with a small widget, and then you hit photos, choose from photos. I'm going to go to albums, and I'm feeling a little fancy, so I'm going to go with the exclusive widget, even though it doesn't go with a theme, but this is a promo. I made exclusive widgets. I call them the day version because I guess they're like the light version of the night version, So anyways, I'm gonna click, I'm gonna click this one. This is like the photo booth picture, if anyone knows. It's like a recent episode or a recent chapter that was uploaded in the Korean neighbor Webtoon site. Anyways, hit that, you select the photo, right? Hit save, and then hold down on your home screen, hit plus, and then search Widgetsmith. And oh my god. Okay, and then hit small, and then boom, it's right there. But sometimes it doesn't actually appear as like the one you want, so you can tap it, then select which one you want. So since it's the right one, I'm gonna keep it as that. But then boom, that's how you have your widget. I would like to say that these widgets, the ones like this one, the day version, is only $8, and it comes with all the regular widgets that come with the night version, but in a different colorway. And then it also has 3 additional widgets that are only exclusive to that pack. So just like this photo booth one, you can't find it on the night version. And I think the snazziest part is that it comes with this, which is a customizable wallpaper I made. So it's like you're in the classroom with Mia and Shoa, and has a name tag right there, and then just tell me your name when you check out, and I can I can put it in there. So since my name's Claire, it's right there. But yeah, okay. Hope that helps. Yeah. Bye. Thank you.